This video is intended to demonstrate the temporary workaround to access some of COCC's current applications. When you go to some of these links via the employee login page or the employee intranet, if you click on them, you will get this type of box. It does not allow you to log in. Go ahead and close that browser tab, and then the workaround is to click on the Bobcat Web account. It will prompt you for your login. This will be your username and password. And then once you get logged into Bobcat Web, you can just go to another tab, go back to the employee login page, do not close your browser, and then you can connect via the employee intranet. This will work, or any of these links such as Canvas, the help desks. And so go ahead and use this workaround as noted as a quick reminder from the employee login page. Bobcat Web account, log in there, do not close your browser, then just go back to another tab and you can open any of these other links. Some links are not working as they should, but most of them are, so go ahead and even down here in the resources you may need to access them from there. But again, the Bobcat Web account allows the workaround to occur to get to the other applications. We are working on it, and thank you for your patience.